Guys, it is crazy wind outside right now. Holy freaking cow, look at the mess I gotta clean up. It is crazy outside right now. Yeah, RC Car Madness. Look at all that. I literally just got out of my class from Zoom meeting from school, and I come out to this. What the hell? And I just cleaned up the backyard the other day. This is crazy. I literally just cleaned up the backyard yesterday. Look at my poor siren. Oh my god, my siren flew off. Where'd that thing go? Alright, so now the tarps are all messed up. Oh my god. Yeah, it is crazy outside right now. Okay, guys, so yeah. This is crazy. Look, if you look over there, you can see the tree. Holy cow! Whoa! Oh, I feel like that tree's gonna fall. Look at this freaking thing. Whoa, look at that bird. Whoa! Whoa, that bird is so freaking... Bird's not trying to fly. God, look at all that. Crazy. Oh, look at all that debris over there. Alright guys, subscribe, RC Car Madness.